But we started with what is the problem that we are trying to solve? And then we tried to find an innovative solution to solving it. As you know, Africa's current energy landscape is certainly involves significant amount of people still not connected. And if we look at the requirements for industrialization and the GDP growth per each country on the continent, we require a significant amount of new electricity to come on board. That coupled with the requirement for decarbonization from large power users to be more competitive, and in order to attract more electricity in a shorter time frame, and perhaps now it being the cheapest source of electricity, we are requiring to bring on board a significant amount of renewable energy over the next decade. It was a huge indication to us that market that a few people or many people thought would never come into place is now actively moving away from just having to encumber state utilities to more private model, with state utilities more playing on the transmission, distribution and wheeling side, and through that getting appropriately compensated for this third-party access to their grid that we are introducing.
Let's say, you want to you want to sell power to someone, but then there are no lines, maybe the infrastructure isn't adequate. What happens then? How do you solve that problem?
That's a very difficult problem. It's almost, so here is where the procurement portal comes in. We do significant amount of technical analysis to ascertain if there is any risk of us experiencing effectively curtailment risk because of the lack of transmission availability or congestion on the line that we will most likely have to utilize for any export or supply to our customers.